In Sweden, good quality air and clean drinking water is often taken for granted in homes, workplaces, shops and hospitals. For us, it's, for example, obvious to drink water straight from the tap. In order for us to have that quality, many installers with a technical background are needed to install, replace and maintain. But today, Sweden has a shortage of installers. And without knowledgeable installers who can maintain water pipes, refrigeration and heat pumps, ventilation systems, industrial pipes and sprinklers, lots of important functions in society will stop. Also, Sweden will not be able to make important investments for the environment due to the shortage of people who are needed to install these high-tech and environmentally friendly facilities. What many don't know is that technical skills and certifications are required to allow you to install and maintain heating, water and sanitation. And it's a profession with good compensation and opportunities. For example, you can advance as a project leader, manager and engineer. As an installer, you often work with modern technology in a variety of properties and industries. In Sweden, 600,000 new homes need to be built and 800,000 homes need renovation. The aim for the entire country is to cut energy consumption by half over the next 10 years. But who's going to do the work? Join us and contribute to good indoor climate, clean drinking water in the tap, and a sustainable society. Become an installer and influence the future.